What's up, guys? Come on, get ready with me and let's talk Sisterlocks. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of Cuties.com, a site designed to encourage moms to cloth diaper their babies. But also on Saturdays, I talk about my hair. And today we are giving you a full update on what's been going on with my hair. Guys, it's been a minute since we've chatted about this. I know. I promised y'all something. I sold y'all some wolf tickets about when I was going to get back to you about this hair, and I have not done it. But today I'm going to give you an update, and I'm going to get dressed because I have to film some Cloth Cuties videos today. The kids are gone. I got to get a lot done. I got clothes to wash. I got hair to do. I got to get set up for these videos. So come along with me, and we're going to talk about my sister locks while I get prepped for my videos. All right, let's go. So it has been a quarter. I've had sister locks in my hair for 3 months now. I got my sister locks installed over a 3-day period in May. The last day was May 20th. And since then it's been June, July, August. So it's been 3 full months since I have had my sister locks installed. One of the updates that I haven't given you yet, I believe, is that I have 392 locks. I know, which is crazy because I'm gonna come in a little close with this over my face, but I thought I had so many little teeny tiny locks in here, and I do, but I only had 392 locks. I was for sure I had like 500 some odd locks, y'all. I got my locks installed with a lady here in Houston, Texas, and at the time, if you guys recall, you can go back and watch it on another video, I cut my hair. I cut half of my hair off, and so I started my sister locks with 6 to 7 inches of hair, and I feel like that was a good decision. So with that length of hair, it still took me 3 days, like I said, 20 hours to get sister locks. So in that 3 months, I have now had 3 retightenings. I'm getting ready to have another retightening soon, in the month of September sometime. But I've had 3 retightenings since then, and I do think my hair is growing. And yeah, I'm really happy with my lock progress. It's been super easy to the point that I will tell you that I have become even more lazy about my hair. I did not think that was possible, but I have become more lazy with my hair. And what I mean by that is that, y'all, if I told y'all how often I wash my hair, y'all would think I was a disgusting little lady, but I do not wash my hair very often. I get my hair retightened every 6 weeks, and so I'm just gonna tell y'all, it's gross. But so I pretty much wash my hair right before I get my hair retightened. And that's kind of been my trajectory, especially this summer. This summer has been such a busy summer. Just a lot of stuff going on. Still working through the pandemic, being at home. I take care of my kids' hair much better than I take care of my hair. Now, when I say that I've only washed my hair once every 6 weeks, that has actually been since my last retightening. Before that, like the first 2 retightenings, I washed my hair probably twice between each tightening. So maybe that's a little bit better. That's like every 3 weeks. But so far this time, I actually have not washed my hair since my last retightening. And at the rate we're going, might be right before the appointment. I actually do not like doing my eyebrows. Random fact. I'm only doing this because I'm a little weirded out by Delta variant. I would like to go get my eyebrows done though. I prefer that. And maybe I will. I might just double mask. There are several things that I like about my locks, but the first one, as I kind of mentioned, they are super easy. Y'all, it's no maintenance. A lot of times I braid my hair in 2 or 3 braids like this, and unless I have to go somewhere like dropping off the kids, which I might just put on a headband over this, but I don't do very much to my locks. My locks are in some pretty easy protective styles most of the time. Sometimes I have them down, and I'm gonna do like a half up, half down style today, but they're just so easy to do. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm making the maintenance way less tedious by not doing a lot on my hair, but I've never been a big hairstyler. I'm not that great at styling my hair, but I've just found right now, like, it's about 4 styles that I kind of rotate between. Like, I do a half up, half down. I do some kind of little swoop side thing. I do my hair into pigtails a lot. It's childish, but I think it looks kind of cute and fun. But yeah, so I don't do a whole lot to my hair, and I think 2 things. I think that is kind of helping with the process. Like, I'm not finagling my hair a whole lot. I'm not manipulating it, so I'm not messing it up as much. But there has been a couple things that I have been doing a lot lately, and that's swimming and running. And with swimming and running, this is why I need to wash my hair, right? Because my hair gets dirty. I sweat a lot actually in my head, but by the time I come in from my nightly runs, I don't usually want to mess with my hair. So, and I don't run nightly. Let me correct that. I run about 3 times a week. Right now I'm training for a 10K. And my kids really love to swim. So we spend a lot of time, actually we've made it a priority to go to the swimming pool at least once a week, every weekend. So I get in the pool and I always make it a point to just swim a few good laps. So what I've been doing in that case is tying down or braiding down my hair and putting my swim cap. I kind of pull it all up, put my swim cap over it, and I just enjoy myself in the pool. I know that that's kind of like a big no-no. They tell you, like, don't get your hair wet, but I think it's not practical for me to just go say I'm not gonna get my hair wet or submerged for this very long period of time. It's not practical. I have 2 small kids who enjoy water. I enjoy water, and that's our family's way of relaxing every weekend together. So I just put my swim cap on, I braid my hair down, and I do it. And I just make sure that I do not take my braids down before my hair is fully dried. And that's the same with running. So I make sure that my hair is kind of pulled back. I don't let my hair flop around while I'm running. And I just make sure that I let my hair fully dry in that case too before I take my little braids down or before I take my ponytail down. And so that's sometimes why I have not washed my hair, because I'm in here taking a shower, getting ready for bed, but my hair is still pulled up tight. And yeah, just making it easy. Like, I feel like your hair has to fit into your lifestyle. And right now, pool is a very big part of our lifestyle. Swimming is a very big part of our lifestyle. My fitness and my health is becoming a priority again. I had not run in years, really. I used to run a lot before I got married and had babies. But when I had Nathaniel, my running pretty much came to a halt for a very long period of time. And it took me so long to just be able to get to the point where I could run 3 miles again, which used to be what I did in a breeze, 10-minute miles, like knocking it out. I don't do that anymore, but it has really become a thing that I love and I enjoy again. And I'm not willing to let my hair interrupt any of that, because all of that is important to me. I think my favorite part putting makeup now is mascara. I didn't realize how important it was until recently, but I do enjoy mascara. Somehow it makes everything look complete. My Sisterlock consultant suggested that I use these little scrunchies instead of rubber bands. They're little cotton scrunchies instead of rubber bands. So these are what I use when I'm putting my hair in ponytails and stuff. And it is time for me to wash my hair. My hair looks a little dull. Before I take this braid down, I want to see if I can get close and kind of show you this lock. Y'all see it? This lock is the lock that I think is starting to lock. I don't know if this looks good or bad. There's this little gap in between here, between this section and this section. I don't know, you know, your hair that naturally sheds is getting like all trapped in here. So I don't know if this is like locking properly or if I should cut this off or if my consultant should cut it off. That would be probably the one little concern I have. So maybe this is, my locks are starting to lock. If this is what that looks like, I don't know. But this is one that I'm interested in learning about what's going on here, because this looks interesting. And I totally, y'all, I even want to pull this little piece apart right here, but I'm not gonna do it, not today. There are some places where, like, let's see if I can show you this one. This one, for example, a nice thick lock, but there are a few like gaps in it. I hope y'all are able to see this. There are a few gaps in the lock. I don't know if that is a big deal or not, if that is a problem, is going to be a problem later on down the line, if that's a spot where it could potentially be weak later. But that's something I'm slightly concerned about. But that is like the root and the tutor of my concern with my locks. Otherwise, I have no concern. I'm super happy about my locks. See, look, now that I'm all made up and my locks are out, y'all. So I'm gonna turn around and give y'all a 360 so you can see this hair. Yes, I love my locks. And just like that, put on makeup, took my 2 braids, and I'm literally ready to walk out of the door. It don't get no better than that. Guys, thanks for getting ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this video and this little update about how my locks. What questions do you have for me? Drop them in the comments below. Tell me what you think about my hair. Tell me what you think about this little lock over here, what it's doing. Yeah, but guys, I'm so happy. And if you're deciding to get locks or gonna pull the trigger on it, do it. And this is something that you can do to take a little bit of that time and put it elsewhere on something that's more important, because you want your hair to look good, but you don't always want to spend the time it takes to get you there. These Sisterlocks, sis, are a way to do that. All right, guys, talk to you later. Have a good one.